welcome back again to my channel. Today I've got a lovely kit to show you. I'm going to do a guest design team project for tailor-made journals, and I have chosen this gorgeous kit called Faded Summer, and I just thought I'd show it to you before I get stuck into making this journal. It is the most gorgeous soft colour scheme of delicate greens and blues, really soft, and it has the sweetest little animals, rabbits, little bunnies, birds, deer, bees. It's just gorgeous, a beautiful kit. So I thought I'd just run you through the pages and have a little look at some of the fabrics that I thought I might use for this journal. So the kit, as I said, is called Faded Summer, and it is a huge kit. It actually has 31 pages in it, so there's almost enough here for 2 journals. We have this lovely page here with the mushroom that would make gorgeous tags, dragonfly, beautiful flower. Really gorgeous kits. Lorna, who is from Tailor Made Journals, does the most beautiful kits. I've printed these out on a heavier cardstock because I thought, being tags and things, they needed a little bit more heft than the journal pages themselves. So here we've got some lovely little envelopes that she's designed, that you cut out and fold in half, so you've got your bunnies both sides or your dragonflies. Really lovely. Then there's this gorgeous one with the bee. I really love the bee she's got on here, and butterflies. So it's a beautiful nature-based kit, which is right up my alley because I absolutely adore nature and animals and birds, as anyone who knows me will say. She's got some little tags down the bottom here, name tags: Faded Summer, Summer Dragonfly. Deep summer is when laziness finds respectability. How beautiful. And as we're coming into summer down here in the southern hemisphere, it does kind of suit the time, the season. I know on the northern hemisphere you're all going into winter, but we're heading into summer down here. Not that you'd know, we've had rain and snow this last week. This is gorgeous, this beautiful bird here on the flower. And the shades are just so lovely, with the tones just delicately coming in, like she's got a slight bit of yellow coming into the green there. Really pretty, which means you could tie in other colours. It really has so much potential. I love the little bird's nest here. We've got a really nice large envelope there, huge, with the bunnies, and also these little tabs on the side, so you could cut them all out to make side tabs, so that's going to be lovely. Really nice little decorations to go on the front of your journal, and beautiful postcards. I can see that I'm going to be putting lots of bunnies into this. Bunnies everywhere, just like my yard at the moment, full of bunnies. Not that I mind, I really quite enjoy watching them frolicking around out there. So you have another big envelope here and some more tabs. And here we come to the pages of the journal, which I think are absolutely stunning. Beautiful deer. I mean, they're almost too beautiful to cover up. She has lots of space for writing if you wanted to do just a writing journal, and the pictures alone really are enough. They're so detailed. Then you have this soft collage design with butterflies, flowers, music paper, writing. Really pretty, but so delicate, just so gentle. Lovely flower and a little bird. And here we've got some more tags, so I'll put them on the heavier cardstock again. But how brilliant are the butterflies, really bright blue. So pretty, just like summer. Faded summer. So we have a mason jar here in the corner, which is a really nice addition. We've got some lovely little corner pockets here, ready to cut out. It's just ready to go, like everything you could possibly need for a journal is all here. So if you're a person who doesn't really like to be too creative or think too hard, everything is done for you. It's all so straightforward. You really just have to cut it out and go, because it's all done for you. Lorna has put so much work into this and so much thought into what you might need. You've got your little pockets here with the folded edges ready so that you've got room to put like fat tags and things in. You've got that little extra space. She's thought about all of these things. Some more tags and some lovely library cards and extra butterflies to fussy cut if you're a person who enjoys fussy cutting. Pretty butterflies. Lucy doesn't think so. Beautiful bunnies. They're just gorgeous little pictures. We've got some more tags there with the bird and the butterflies. They all blend so well together. Here we've got the mushroom again in the corner, so you've got some lovely corner pockets. The bee. Beautiful. Really nice. More pockets. A bookmark there on the side. Some more little pockets or journaling cards. A lovely journal page with the bunny and the eggs. Really pretty. And a plain one. And on the back of these I have actually printed a plain page that she adds to the kit so that you can have a nice back. And I think there were two different ones, and I have added sort of half and half so that you've got a choice of either the bluey green page with a little bit of writing and a slight pattern through it, wallpapery pattern, or you've got the very plain looking book page, so you've got a choice of what you might want to use for your back, which is lovely because again it takes all the heartache out for you. You don't have to think about it, it's already there for you to do. So we've got dragonflies, got the deer and the bunnies again. Gorgeous. Beautiful little bird. Very nicely done. Very creative. Clever sort of collaging there. Lovely writing across this. I really like that text through, and it just looks like it's been stamped with all this printing on it, and your dear little mushroom over here on the music paper and stamp. So it's all done for you. You really don't have to do anything. I mean, you could just make it up like this and it would look spectacular. You know, you just don't have to add much at all to get a really beautiful journal. Or you could go berserk and add lots of lace and really pretty things and fancy it up. Choice is yours. So another beautiful journal page with the bee and a dragonfly and those very soft colours. Really delicate flowers and weeds coming up through. So pretty. And then we have another gorgeous window framed style with the bunny and the bird, which looks like an old photograph album. Really lovely. Just beautiful, Lorna. I can't wait to get stuck into this one. So I'll be enjoying that, and I've been looking at some of my fabrics that I have that might be delicate enough for a cover, and I found these two really nice pieces of fabric that I think lend themselves to the softness of the kit. So I'm kind of leaning towards those at the moment, and I think they blend in well, so I might have a little think about which way I might go there. I might use both of them, who knows. So I'll get back to you when I've done a little bit more on this and show you where I'm up to. Right, I'm back and I have done the cover in a fashion, so now I can give you a little bit more idea of where I'm going with this lovely journal. I have fussy cut out all the kit, so I've got all these lovely pieces now ready to go. So I've folded them ready, so these are your corner pockets here, lovely mushroom. So they all cut out lovely, really easy to fold and gorgeous pictures. So we've got all our pockets ready here. These dear little envelopes, and I might come back shortly with a little project that I have in mind for these dear little envelopes. And these lovely big envelopes, I mean, isn't that just gorgeous? So that's what they look like when they're all cut out and ready to go. So I'll keep those aside and we'll come back and do a little project with those shortly. We've got file folders here, we've got little tabs cut out ready. These gorgeous little ones that could be used for all kinds of things. So they're all ready to go. I've fussy cut out some of the tiny butterflies there, so we've got lots of lovely blue butterflies to work with. Some lovely pockets there, and a little journaling card, a few of those. Cut out these little guys, so they're all ready to go. Another little envelope there, just a little file folder one. Some words to work with. I stamped a bunny to go in, so that bunny will be going in somewhere, and I've got some more stamps and things to add too. He actually looks nice on the cover, doesn't he? Beautiful. So that's quite a big kit there. There's a lot to cut out, lots and lots of pieces, lots of words. So they're all ready to start with now. We've got the mason jars cut out, and they're lovely too, aren't they beautiful? Loads of things to work with here. Plenty of tags to make up. We're very busy. Gorgeous little tags. Really pretty. And you don't even need to add a lot to these to make them come to life. They're created so lovely. That's beautiful, isn't it? Alright, so more butterflies. There's loads of butterflies there for fussy cutting. Lots more tags and some library cards there. Library cards. Another pocket or journaling space card. So that's all ready to go. I have been working on the cover, as you can see. I haven't quite finished it yet. I just found this dear little bunny that I thought I might paint up and add on there somewhere, so he will go on. But just to show you where I got to, I will show you the cover. So we worked with the two pieces of fabric that I showed you last time. I put this one on the outside. It was the larger piece, and then I added some lovely velvet here, which is a really pretty sage colour velvet. And with velvet, as you know, it has a nap, so I tried it both ways, and of course that way you get a really dark velvet look, and then I turned it up the other way so that you got the really soft shiny look, which seemed to work better. So I picked one of the lovely pieces from the kit to put on the front, and I thought I'll decorate that with something something more when I finished. I've stitched around it a couple of times. Did some really nice lace underneath the top and bottom, and just a little bit of muslin cheeseclothy fabric under there. Just soften it a little bit. It just adds that little bit of softness to the whole design. So of course I'll do something with this dear little bunny and add him in there. On the inside we have the other really nice piece of fabric, so that was a little bit smaller cut, so that's why I used it for the inside. And I've stitched all round with a zigzag stitch around that to finish it off. So there we have our nice cover to work with. I have cut the pages, and I've deckled all the edges of the paper, so you've got that really nice old-fashioned vintage look to the edge of your pages. I don't know if you can really see that there, but it just gives you that really nice soft deckled edge. And I just did that with the Tim Holtz cutter, decal cutter. And I'm still in two minds about whether I'm going to cut the white off the top yet, because it's a little bit wider one side than the other, so you're going to lose a little bit of your print. So what I might do is just decorate that with some nice ribbon or tape as I go, and just use it to bring it in as part of the space. So I might just keep that space for gluing things down on, so it doesn't encroach on the lovely pictures. So there we have the papers all cut, ready to go. So my next task then is to actually start on the ephemera. I might actually add in the odd tea-dyed page or something here and there as I go. I'll just see what it lends itself to and how much we can fit, because I have a habit of getting carried away with packing so much into a journal, then you run out of space to put it all. And I don't want this one to be too fat, as they tend to get very fat. So that just gives you the basic idea of a starting point, and just moving on from there as to where we'll go next. So I tried to blend the shades in so that the greener ones were closer to the greener fabric. Although they are sort of varied, you get the sort of bluey tones coming through too. So you could really bring out either shade or even this yellowy colour if you wanted to. It lends itself to a few different shades of colour. I went with the soft sage because I really like the softness of that, and I thought it gives a really nice spring-summer feel to it, as it's a summer kit. So there you go, that's what I'm beginning with, and we'll see where we end up with from there. I'll be back in a moment and we'll do these lovely envelopes here, so I'll do something really nice with those for you to follow on with, so see you again soon. Thank you very much for watching today, and I hope I see you back next time. Bye for now.